if you and he are junior to me, how can I look whether you are a Hindu or you're a Brahmin or he's not? It is not in human nature. You are fair to your subordinates.
Sir, can I ask you a question based upon army only? How does army make sure that there is no bias ever in the organization? Whether it's a religious bias, whether it's a caste bias, whether it's a color bias, whether it's a hierarchy bias. How do we make sure that, because we all as an external civilian know that army mein gaya banda to you are just an army individual. There's nothing else, stripped away of all the other entities. So how does army make sure that there is no bias in anybody's mindset?
So dekho, I'm a Hindu Brahmin. I'm in fact Hindu conquered Brahmin. I joined the army and I joined in the artillery a Sikh regiment, 2 field. The troops are Sikhs. But by tradition, okay, the army is a very religious organization. Let me tell you this.
Okay.
But whose religion do I embrace? The troops. So I become a Sikh.
Okay.
मैं गुरुद्वारा जाता हूँ, मैं वो कड़ा पहनता हूँ, मेरे को सरोपा दिया जाता है. And after a while I realized that यार ये जो गुरुद्वारा है ना, इसकी जो ये गुरबानी है बड़ी सूदिंग है. I start playing it. Not that the kirtan is kirtan की अपनी खूबी है. And unwittingly I embrace the religion of my troops. When I go for an exercise or war, उससे पहले गुरुद्वारा साहब की प्रार्थना होती है. There's a whole religious prayer. And we are part of it. Before every shooting, every firing, every exercise, religion is built into us. But I embrace the religion of my troops. And later on, my CO, a non-Sikh, punished a Sikh officer for trimming his beard because it is against those, the 5 wo hai Siddhant Sikh group. But imagine the moral authority. A non-Sikh officer is punishing a Sikh for trimming his beard because he says, how will you lead these men jisko aap bolte ho, whom I don't allow them to, violate the tenets of Sikhism.
Correct.
And one of them is that you will not trim your beard.
You're setting a wrong example.
Yeah. So and it's a glorious tradition that you embrace the religion of your troops.
Wow.
So this is the way it is. After retirement, I tweeted also. So I went to Amritsar and I went to the Golden Temple and I went to the Hindu temple there just next to the Golden Temple and I tweeted the same thing. That it just struck me that day that a Hindu Brahmin goes, embraces the Sikh religion, and I come to the Golden Amritsar. I happened to be there, so I went to the Golden Temple. It's a very soothing experience with my wife, and I also visited the Hindu temple. So these differences go away. So religion becomes a powerful metaphor and not a metaphor of division. So it gets the officers and the men together. It becomes the battle cry. It is a kind of frame which tells you that you must do good, don't do wrong. It's a wonderful way of following religion. Now, how these traditions came into the Indian army, I don't know. But they are wonderful traditions. I'm a very proud Hindu, but I'm an equally devout Sikh.
Interesting.
For all the good reasons.
Yes.
So, this is a good thing. And similarly, I don't know. Okay, let me ask you a personal question. So, within peers, there can be competition.
Okay.
With subordinates, how can you be unfair? If you and he are junior to me, how can I look whether you are a Hindu or you're a Brahmin or he's not? It is not in human nature. You are fair to your subordinates. Junior to barabar hai yaar dono. So I don't know how these things come into us. They should not come into us. Okay, let me tell you, it's a complicated argument. In the evening, when 2 field plays hockey with 101, 2 field will have Sikh troops and 101 may have Maratha troops. We will play hockey so fiercely that we can kill each other. So competitions are to be won. In that sense, Sikhs versus Marathas is an inspiring metaphor.
Correct.
Ki wo jeete kaise? So that way it works. Competition, winning.
Yeah.
So in that way, it's a powerful metaphor. But it doesn't teach you division. So that's the way it should work. Say if I have two subordinates and I pit one against the other to excel, it's a positive way of leveraging that division. But if I choose one over the other for unhealthy long reasons, it is a foolish way to leverage those divisions. So I'm saying that sometimes these identities, caste, religion are good if you put them in the right manner. If you leverage them in the right manner. And they are bad if you leverage them for the wrong things. So that is, I think, common sense in the army.
And in your entire tenure, you have never seen any bias.
I mean, see, that it would be wrong to say, but I have never seen bias from religion or caste. Somebody may not have liked me. Somebody may have bad. So I told you this, that life may be unfair. At times it sounds, but humans
are fair.
So when there is unfairness done to you, there is some fair human being who says, iske saath bura hua hai, and he backs you in some other ways. He comes to your rescue at some other opportunity. But आप में भी होनी चाहिए ये बात, वो तुंडैये मुख्तलिफ वाली, that when life is unfair to me, I should not give up. I should strengthen my resolve. I should work harder. If I strengthen my resolve and work harder और मैं चलता जाऊं, this man who observed you here and said इसके साथ बुरा हुआ था, he may meet you at the next fork and say इसके साथ उस time बुरा हुआ था अब इसको. And I'm not saying that it will happen with mathematical precision, but things will go wrong. It's not that life will not be unfair, but it is on all of us. Firstly, don't lose heart. Concentrate on the positives. Keep doing. अब मैं ऐसे बोलूंगा तो लोग बोलेंगे यार मॉरल सेक्शन मारा, मैं बता रहा हूँ तुमको ये हकीकत है, ऐसे होता है. So the fundamentals, or let me make this point, the fundamental tenets of leadership don't change. But are they impacted greatly by technology? Of course. AI, of course. So you cannot say I'm a talented man, I'm a hardworking man and I've got integrity, but I'll not adapt to technology. I will not be smart. You have to be smart. So there are fundamentals, there is a fundamental layer, and then there are other attributes that you have to plug on to them. Changing circumstance. There is a certain culture of working in India. There is a certain culture of working in USA. I must be smart enough to adapt. But the fundamentals will not change. The fundamentals for leadership in India and for the America will be the same.
थैंक यू सो मच इस क्लिप को एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको ऐसी ही इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वैल्यू एडिंग क्लिप्स देखनी है देन ड्रीम विद नीरज क्लिप्स को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. अंटिल देन कीप ड्रीमिंग. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.